Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss about the structure of megasporangium. As we already discussed in the last video about the male reproductive structure in the flowering plants. तो लास्ट टाइम we discuss, हमने जो डिस्कस किया था कि मेल का जो एंथर है, स्टेमन्स हैं, we discuss about the different parts of the flower along with the male reproductive part. So in this video we are going to discuss about the structure of the megasporangium, means female reproductive structure. Female reproductive structure. Inside the female reproductive structure, this is also known as megasporangium. Megasporangium. As you know very well, in plants, in male we call it as a microsporangium, or here we call that a megasporangium. Is it clear? So last time we also discussed about the structure of the pistil. There are three different parts of the pistil. Again I will tell you how many different types of the pistil. If we are going to see the structure, just we are going to see here overview. There are three parts of the pistil. One upper part that is going to flat. This part is known as stigma. This is known as stigma. Stigma is the landing platform for the pollen grains. During pollination, pollen grains will come and fall over the stigma. This long tube-like structure, this is known as style. The style is connecting link between stigma and the ovary. Here I will tell the structure of the function of the style. Style plays a significant role. It provides a smooth pathway for the pollen tube, so that the pollen tube will easily transfer or reach to the centrally the bottom में जो ovary है, it will reach to the ovary. Is it clear? And this swollen part is known as ovary. Inside this ovary only, this ovary is going to produce the egg or female reproductive gamete. Is it clear? So this is about the structure parts of the pistil. Now I will tell if there is a single pistil is present, then we call that as a monocarpellary, because you know very well pistil is also known as carpel. If more than two pistils are present, then we call that as a multicarpellary. Is it clear? So now we are going to discuss the structure of the megasporangium, means ovule. This ovule, after fertilization, convert into the seed. Now this is structure of the anatropous ovule. Now this ovule is going to attach with the placenta, stop with the placenta. The region is known as funiculus. Means funiculus क्या है? Funiculus वो attachment है जहां से जो stalk ovule है, this ovule is going to connect with the placenta of the plant. Now this is the region, hilum. Hilum is the region where it is a junction where the funiculus is going to attach with this region. This region is known as hilum. Now in this region hilum only, vascular supply is going to attach. This vascular supply, vascular stand means क्या है? Xylem and phloems are present. It means you know very well what is the function of the xylem. Xylem का जो function है, xylem क्या करता है? It provide the क्या करेगा? Water and minerals किसको supply करेगा? For the developing centrally placed cell, means where the synergid cell and egg cell are present. Now this is the vascular stand. Apart from that, again we are going to discuss that there are two ends are present. One end is known as chalazial end, or another end is known as micropylar end. That I will discuss later. Now this ovule is integumented. Integument means होता है, integument means क्या होगा? Covering. If we simple sentence, it will say these are the covering. So this is the outer integument. तो outer integument means integument covering है, और इस integument का function क्या है? It helps in the protection. It helps in the protection of the क्या? Female gametophyte. Now outer integument and below this outer integument, inner integument are also present. These are 2 to 3 layers. So these outer and inner integument, their function is to protect the inner cell or inner central place क्या है female gamete. Is it clear? Now this apart along with this integuments, the inside the inner integument, the nucleus cell is present. तो nucleus cell क्या है? तो nucleus cell they are multinucleated. और एक चीज मैंने आपको लास्ट टाइम में बताई थी, जो भी चीज मल्टीन्यूक्लिएटेड होगी तो इट मींस देयर मेन फंक्शन इज टू प्रोवाइड द नरिशमेंट टू द डेवलपिंग सेल. इज इट क्लियर? और डेवलपिंग सेल हमारे पास क्या है? फीमेल गैमेटोफाइट. इज इट क्लियर? तो न्यूक्लियस इट प्रोवाइड द नरिशमेंट टू द डेवलपिंग सेल, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम द नरिशमेंट देन वी गो फॉर द दिस इज अ सेंट्रल सेल. इन दिस जो दो सेल्स विच आर प्रेजेंट टुवर्ड द चैलिजल एंड. तो चैलिजल एंड का कहां है? द वेयर द इंटेगुमेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट. इफ द सेल which is covered by the integuments, that end is known as chaligeal end, and opposite to the chaligeal end, this end is known as micropylar end. तो micropylar end में what will happen कि integuments are absent. तो what is the function of the micropylar end? It is the place या pore like structure, it is the place from where क्या पोलन ट्यूब एंटर. यहीं से क्या होगा? माइक्रोपाइलर एंड से ही पोलन ट्यूब विल कम एंड इट विल एंटर इनसाइड द कहां? एम्ब्रियो सैक. इज इट क्लियर? तो नाउ देयर इज अ क्लियर कट डिफरेंस बिटवीन द चैलिजल एंड द माइक्रोपाइलर एंड. तो चैलिजल एंड में क्या होगा? इंटेगुमेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट, और माइक्रोपाइलर एंड में क्या होगा? इंटेगुमेंट्स आर एब्सेंट. Now, if we are going to discover the embryo sac, toward the chaligeal end, antipodal cells are present. 3 antipodal cells are present. Now, how we are going to remember? Nowadays, summer is there. तो in summer क्या होगा? Summer में क्या है? Temperature is very high. Then we require the AC. तो AC से याद कर लेना कि chaligeal end पे क्या present होगा? Antipodal cells are present. तो always remember, don't forget about the AC. तो AC means क्या होगा? Antipodal cell. 3 antipodal cells are present toward the chaligeal end. Is it clear? Now centrally placed 2 polar nuclei are present. Is it clear? Now then we go to the micropylar end. Inside the micropylar end, these 2 cells are known as synergid cells. Is it clear? In this you saw these finger-like projections are present, or these finger-like projections का function, these are known as filiform apparatus. So what is the function of filiform apparatus? They guide the pollen tube so that male gamete, क्योंकि you know very well inside the pollen tube 2 male gametes are present, so they guide the pollen tube so that the male gamete reach to the egg cell and centrally placed 2 polar nuclei. So this is the main function of the क्या? Filiform apparatus. Now in question in academic they can ask what is the function of the filiform apparatus. तो filiform apparatus का function क्या होगा कि they guide these are the finger like projections which guide the pollen tube so that the male gamete will reach to the egg cell as well as centrally placed 2 polar nuclei. Now apart from this synergid cell, now क्या? 1 egg cell is present. So this is the male gamete, or this is known as egg cell. So this is known as female gamete. Is it clear? So this is the structure of the anatropous ovule. Is it clear? Dear students, in this topic we are going to discuss about the megasporogenesis. As you saw in the last video, microsporogenesis. तो megasporogenesis means formation of the female gametophyte. क्योंकि you know very well mega means large, और large हमेशा किसके लिए? फीमेल गैमेट के लिए होगा, because जो फीमेल गैमेट है that is large in size as compared to the male gamete. Genesis means formation. तो in this video, in this topic we are going to see कि this outermost layer is known as epidermis. Below the epidermis nucleus is there, or this nucleus is multi-layered. I told you multi-layered है, multi-nucleated condition है. तो multi-nucleated multi-layer, it is going to provide a nourishment to the developing MMC. This is the MMC. MMC means megaspore mother cell. Megaspore mother cell. Is it clear? This MMC is diploid in nature. Diploid means 2n. Ploid level क्या है? 2n. Is it clear? Now you know very well जो gametes हैं, they are generally haploid in nature. So this MMC megaspore mother cell undergo meiosis 1. Or you know very well कि meiosis 1 is also known as reduction division. Is it clear? So meiosis 1, this megaspore mother cell is going to divide into the 2 cell. Is it clear? Now मेरे बच्चों आपको पता है यदि meiosis 1 हुआ है तो meiosis 2 होगा ही होगा. तो when these 2 cells again meiosis 2 will takes place. Meiosis 2, so meiosis 2 is known as equational division. Is it clear? So these 2 cells further divide and help in the formation of the 4 cell. So these are known as 4 megaspores. Is it clear? So out of which 3 megaspores, 3 are going to degenerate. These 3 are going to degenerate. When they are going to degenerate, whatever reserve food material they are having, they provide their reserve food material to the functional megaspore. Functional megaspore. Is it clear? So now this functional megaspore, it is haploid in nature. This functional megaspore is present toward the micropylar end. तो ये micropylar end है, तो opposite वाला क्या होगा? Chalazial end. Chalazial end. Is it clear? So now this micropylar end, this megaspore again undergo mitotic division. Yeah, mitosis. Mitosis you know very well. This is known as equational division. This functional megaspore undergo mitotic division and helps in the formation of 2 cells. So this is known as 2 cell stage. Now these 2 cells, they are going to move to the opposite end pole. So this will move to this pole or this will move to the opposite pole. Is it clear? So this is known as क्या होगा? Vegetal pole or animal pole. So is it clear? When they are going to move to the opposite pole, these cells further divide by the mitosis. Further mitosis will take place. When further mitosis will take place, these 2 cell stage convert into the 4 cell stage. Is it clear? So opposite pole 4 cell stage, again mitosis will take place. Again mitosis will take place. When mitosis will take place, these 4 cells are going to convert into the 8 cell stage. Is it clear? So when they are going to convert into 8 cell stage, so 4 are toward the opposite pole and remaining 4 are to the opposite pole. Is it clear? Now see, after 8 cell stage, here these are the 4 cells which are present in the animal pole. These are the 4 cells which are present over the vegetal pole. Out of 8 cells, 3 cells, 1 cell will move toward the center. From here also 1 cell will move toward the center. So it means 3 cells which are present toward the chalazial end. और I told you never forget the AC. जहाँ भी A होगा antipodal cell होंगे वहाँ पे chalazial end होगा. तो these 3 cells are known as antipodal cells and these 2 cells centrally placed cells are known as polar nuclei. And toward the micropylar end, what is there? 3 cells are present. तो कौन-कौन से हैं? 1 egg cell and 2 synergid cells. And these finger-like projections are known as filiform apparatus. और last time I told you कि filiform apparatus का function क्या है? कि they guide the pollen tube so that the pollen tube which carries the male gamete, it will reach, the male gamete will reach toward the egg cell and centrally placed to polar nuclei. Is it clear? This stage is known as 8 cell, 8 nucleated stage. Is it clear? Now the question will come in this portion only. But we draw the well level diagram of mature embryo sac showing 8 cell, 8 nucleated stage. Now another question the examiner can ask, can explain, draw the well level diagram of mature embryo sac showing 7 cell, 8 nucleated stage. Is it clear? Now what will happen? These 2 central polar nuclei, a cell together. यहाँ पे these two cells are going to fuse, not nuclei. उनके nuclei fuse नहीं होंगे, nucleus fuse नहीं होंगे. तो what will happen? So this stage is known as 7 cell. 3 antipodal cell plus 1 central nuclei plus central cell plus 3 क्या हो गए 2 synergic cell और 1 egg cell. तो टोटल नंबर कितने हो गए? टोटल 3 और 2 5 और 2 7 सेल. तो 7 सेल हो गए. 8 न्यूक्लिएटेड 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. तो 7 cell 8 nucleated stage of mature embryo sac. Now dear student, before attempting the question answer, read the question carefully. Ki what examiner asked? If he asks draw the well level diagram of mature embryo sac, so you have to draw this diagram. 7 cell 8 nucleated stage. If he asks draw the well level diagram of 8 cell 8 nucleated stage, so you have to draw this diagram. Is it clear? So before attempting the answer, read the question carefully. Is it clear? So this is about the mature embryo sac. ये क्या हो गया? Mature embryo sac. Is it clear? Is it clear?